Stop scrolling. If you applied for Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0, then this is the update you have been waiting for. Yes, the results are out, and the best part is emails are officially dropping batch wise. And I am going to share you the exact mails, and I will tell you what we have to do next. So don't skip this video. And this video is for every learner who applied, whether you got the mail or still waiting for it. I will break down everything you must know, so don't skip this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond Tech. This is Sai, and I am on a mission to bring you high value, career changing content for all the engineering students across India. And today I am going to break down the Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0 results. Yes, let's begin. So here's the big confirmation. This is the official selection mail which I have received today from Infosys Springboard, and it says, congratulations, you have been selected for Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0 batch 1. And let that sink in. After weeks of waiting, they have finally started announcing results. But here's a catch. This is not the final confirmation. Let me explain it soon. So watch till the end of this video. Now let's understand what this mail actually says. Here it says you have been selected for batch 1 and you will soon receive the start date of this internship, and the next step is a virtual document verification, and the final confirmation depends on successful verifications. This means you are just shortlisted but you are not fully confirmed until your documents are verified, and that's completely normal for corporate internships. So if you have not received the mail yet, don't panic. Here's what to do. Firstly, go to your Gmail and search in the inbox, and if not there, go and search in the spam and promotion tabs too, and search for terms like Infosys Springboard and Internship 6.0, and emails are rolling out batch wise, so everyone will not get it once. So keep checking your inbox, and you might be in any batch, so keep checking your mail multiple times. You might wonder why not Infosys send all the mails at once. Well, Infosys is verifying thousands of learners across different courses and different completion dates. So they are evaluating and sending the offers in the batches. This means if you have completed the course by June 30, your turn is coming soon. So keep an eye on your inbox. You will get the Infosys mail at any time. Now here's what you need to do after finishing this video. Firstly, check your inbox thoroughly and check for the mail. If you got the mail, take a screenshot of it and get your documents ready. Comment below, did you get selected or still wait? This will help others understand how the batches are going to release. Now, let's talk about the virtual meeting for document verification. In coming few weeks, you will get a link from Infosys to attend a virtual meeting. Now for that, I will tell you what we have to prepare. Firstly, you should have government ID such as Aadhaar card or PAN card, and college ID or bona fide certificate, and screenshots or PDFs of your completed Springboard courses, and internet connection and webcam ready. And this verification is finally what gives you the green signal. Now let's wrap up this video. Infosys Springboard Internship is one of the biggest internship, and it adds massive value to your resume. So if you are get selected, and if not yet, your movement might be coming in just few hours or just few days. So drop a comment below if you are get selected or still waiting for it, and do like this video and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends, on the bell icon for latest updates, and I will be posting the latest updates on internship start date and document verification process and project tips and certificate issue timeline. So don't miss this. Until then, keep checking your inbox and keep learning, and see you in the next one. This is Sai signing off.